Hi, my name is Patrick Chan, the best-selling author of Wake Up Millionaire. During this video, I'm going to share with you how you can generate income from the internet. I know, it's quite a big claim to make, but you'll see how easily it can be done at the end of this video, because I've done it. Here's the story. You see, I've been using a proven way of making money online in the internet marketing niche, and I'm really pleased to announce that it has been highly profitable. Not only that, it's also currently generating income on autopilot for me. Here's exactly what I did, and that you can copy down to a T. I've developed a powerful marketing software to make money from the internet and created a new membership. But instead of selling them to customers, the software and training courses are given away for free via a secret web page that I've created, not available from any of my official websites. Now, when they requested for the software and became my new subscribers, I'll continue to send them valuable reports for free. But found in each of these emails sent, there will be a promotion of an affiliate program where I'll be able to make an affiliate commission. And sometimes, I'll send them product recommendations to buy too. The products promoted are from Clickbank.com, mainly because nowadays, Clickbank only approves legitimate products into their affiliate program marketplace. This way, I know I'm promoting only good products and adding value to my subscribers. Secondly, the typical commission package for a Clickbank product is around 50%. And also, I've been invited to Clickbank's HQ in Boise to meet with their top management executive. Here's what the VP of Marketing is saying about me.
Hi there, my name is Corey Davis. I'm Vice President of Marketing at Clickbank. I had the awesome opportunity this weekend to meet Patrick, who I've been able to get to know. Awesome guy. A couple of things about Patrick that I've learned is that he is a smart guy. He's savvy when it comes to internet marketing and business strategy, and it's been fun to get to know him. We've had some great discussions over the last few days, and he's been able to help me learn some things about what some of the trends are happening in the marketing space, and just to share some of his wisdom because he's very experienced and he's an awesome guy, and we are excited that he's doing some amazing things on Clickbank, and it's been awesome to get to know him. And Patrick, you're awesome.
Let me sum up the whole system into 3 simple steps, and they'll look like this. Step number 1. New subscribers subscribe from a secret web page to get my marketing software for free. Step 2. Automated emails are being sent out to the new subscribers. Step 3. Money is guaranteed when the subscribers buy the valuable products promoted in the automated emails.